How to use openart to create AI arts and images. In this video, I will show you how can you easily use openart application to create AI arts and images. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly, you either need to open the official website of openart or download the application in your device. Once you have done either one of the option, you can simply log in into your account or create a new account. After that, as you can see, one of the feature of openart application is that sketch to image. Now, if you don't know about this feature, you will also see the tutorials below, which is really helpful for beginners. This is one of the picture that I created using the sketch to image feature in openart. As you can see, it is very realistic and has a beautiful mixture of colors used and 3D features, and you can even see more editing tools below on the right hand side with the details of the photo. There's the option of edit, more variation, expand, and to convert the photo into video. Now our next feature is image to video animation. For this feature as well, you have a tutorial video in the below. Now in this feature you can convert any video or animation to picture and vice versa. The next one is creative variation. In this feature, all you need to do is provide your concept and let AI generate a range of creative interpretation. So if you want AI to be creative, all you need to provide is your idea and then AI will do its work. After that, we have the feature of anime character. If you want the picture and video of anime character, you can simply make a search and openart feature will create it for you. So that's it. That is how easily you can use openart AI to create arts and images created by AI. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.